Former Kaizer Chiefs and TS Galaxy winger Kigen Dolly has sealed a return to Cape Town after signing with Motsepe Foundation Championship side Cape Town City. The 32-year-old joins the Citizens on a one-year contract with an option to extend after leaving Galaxy at the end of the last season. He arrives as a free agent and brings a wealth of experience to a City outfit determined to fight their way back into the DStv Premiership. Dolly's signing is seen as a major coup for the club, with the Bafana Bafana International expected to provide leadership and quality on the wings during the upcoming campaign. His move comes fresh off a spell with the national team at the African Nations Championship Chan in East Africa. For Dolly, the deal marks a homecoming. Cape Town is where his professional journey first gathered momentum during his early breakthrough years at Ajax Cape Town, now Cape Town Spurs. From there, he went on to win silverware with Mamelodi Sundowns before securing a high-profile move to French League One outfit Montpellier in 2017. With his pedigree and experience across both local and international football, Dolly's arrival signals Cape Town City's intent to make a serious push for promotion and restore their status among South Africa's elite clubs. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.